ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that generates content for your business. So, it's a program that responds to questions, comments, or commands that are typed into a chat window. It's a way to make money online and is completely free to try out. In this video, we will look at the what is ChatGPT and how does it make money. Before, please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon for more updates. What is ChatGPT? Put simply, ChatGPT is an AI model that engages in conversational dialogue. It is an example of a chatbot, akin to the automated chat services found on some companies' customer service websites. It was developed by OpenAI, a tech research company dedicated to ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. The GPT in ChatGPT refers to the generative pre-training transformer, referring to the way that ChatGPT processes language. What sets ChatGPT apart from chatbots over the last several decades, however, is that ChatGPT was trained using reinforcement learning from human feedback. RLHF involves the use of human AI trainers and reward models to develop ChatGPT into a bot capable of challenging incorrect assumptions, answering follow-up questions, and admitting mistakes. The bot responded that it was designed to generate human-like text based on a given prompt or conversation. It added that, because it is trained on a data set of human conversations, it can understand context and intent and is able to have more natural, intuitive conversations. In its response to our prompt, ChatGPT said that its applications could include customer service bots, creating content for social media or blogs, and translating text from one language to another. What makes ChatGPT stand out? ChatGPT's functionality, including its ability to understand context and detail and to recognize when it has made mistakes, is seen as standing out among rivals. What are potential uses of ChatGPT? There are a host of ways that ChatGPT could potentially be used, including enhancing search engine functionality, automating processes like disputing traffic tickets or bills, and creating code, among many other applications. ChatGPT has also raised concerns about its potential misuse by malicious actors. Hackers could utilize the bot to create convincing malware or phishing scams, and the model could be tasked with creating and spreading misinformation. Benefits of ChatGPT. As mentioned, there are numerous potential uses for ChatGPT. They range from more direct, chatbot-type functions to much more obscure applications, and it is likely that users will explore a host of other possible ways to utilize this technology in the future, including in search engines. While chatbots have existed for many years, ChatGPT is viewed as a significant improvement on the intelligibility, fluidity, and thoroughness of prior models. One demonstration of the sophistication of ChatGPT provided by OpenAI includes a prompt that was designed to trick the bot, asking about when Christopher Columbus came to the United States in 2015. ChatGPT's response easily avoided the trap, clarifying that while Columbus did not come to the US in 2015, it can posit some of the ways he may have reacted to his visit if he had. How does ChatGPT make money? OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, has not yet monetized ChatGPT on a wide scale. A free version of ChatGPT remains available on OpenAI's website as of February 23, 2023. However, the company does sell the application programming interface on a subscription basis to organizations looking to use the model for their own purposes. On February 1, 2023, OpenAI announced that it would launch a pilot version of a paid subscription plan called ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. Subscribers will receive benefits including access to ChatGPT during peak times, faster response times, and priority access for new improvements and features. The company said this paid plan is available in the US and that users will be invited from a waitlist over the coming weeks. OpenAI will expand access to additional parts of the world over time. The viral success of ChatGPT could be worth a huge amount to OpenAI, which was co-founded by Elon Musk. Within a week of its launch, the model had gained 1 million users. And 2 months after ChatGPT was released, OpenAI raised the possibility of selling existing shares in a tender offer that would place the value of the company at about $29 billion, making it among the most valuable startups. Please don't wait to ask in your comments section if you have any other queries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon for more updates.